Welcome to the fourth video on this series, Understanding GIS Files and Package. So in this video, we're going to look at map package and layer package. So what is a map package? A map package is basically, I can say it's more like a map project or a map document that is not saving the reference this time around, but rather it compresses the entire file and database along with it. This is my definition, all right? I just want you to understand what it does practically. Let's forget about the English for now. So basically, when I have this LGA and this DAM, if I create a map package and I sent that map package to you anywhere in the world, you want to download and then double click on it, it will automatically open with everything that is inside here. No need, it's not having reference, but it's having the actual data in it. Now, it does almost the same thing. The difference is that the project file that you save only reference, but this one comes with the actual file and it saves everything, including your layout, your scale, your legend, and everything. I hope that is understandable from the practical perspective. You can read up what map package is online. My job is to show you the practical definition of map package. So layout package, on the other hand, is doing the same thing as layout file, but just that this time around, it's carried the file of that one layer that you want to save. I hope this is understood. So how do I perform, or how do I share a layer package? So you right click on the file you want to use, go to sharing, then you see share as layer package. So once you click on it, it's going to pop up this direction, and then it's asking you whether you want to upload to ArcGIS online account. It's not even active, so your portal does not support this package data. Okay, that's fine. So we're saving it, save package to file. All right, so look at, it's asking you for which location to save. That's already created a default location, but if I don't want it to be a default location, I will change it to a location of my choosing, which I am going, and I am doing that right now. So I want it here. I'm just going to save it as GEM, and then I'll click on save. Now it's asking me to write a summary of what this is. This is GEM, Taraba State. Then they're asking for tags, so I'm going to copy this and put as a tag. All right, now they said include enterprise and NUC path data, so I'm just going to click on that. Always make sure to choose that. All right, so you can also click on, you can create, you know what tag is now, so you can create as many tags as possible. Now always analyze to see if there is any error. All right, now you can see that there is 0 error and there is no warning showing. So once that is done, you click on package. So it's analyzing this package and it's going to produce a layer package, but just for this one that I have done. I hope you understand. So let's wait for it to get over so that we do the other one. Well, while this is also going, in order not to elongate the video, now we want to save a map package. We've already explained both of them. Okay, successfully done. All right, so we can drop this down by closing it. Now, when you click on share, you will see this one. It's whether you want to save it. That's not what we want to do right now. Once you click on share, you will see map package. So you see new map package. So once I click on new map package, it's going to bring us here also. And then I'm going to you already know, so I'm going to select where I want this data to be saved. All right, that's the first thing I want to do. Just the same thing as what we've done a few seconds ago. So I'm going to save it in my work, and I'm going to say map package, or I can just say map Taraba, since it has things to do with Taraba. All right, then I'm going to click on save. So it's going to have this. So we already, let's just put Taraba here, Taraba state, and then the tax we put Taraba, and then that's all. Then we click on this. All right, then now like I said, always click on analyze to see if there's any error. Yes, there is error. They are saying oh, this is what they are saying. So let's remove this and then analyze again. Now, like I told you, everything that is showing on your table of content will appear on that. So as they are not accessing that terrain, that map that you're seeing, they brought it out as an error. But now that we removed it, you can see that there is no longer an error. So you hit the package and allow it to analyze, and then start preparing the data. Then it will produce this map package. So basically, this is how to do it on ArcGIS Pro. We've been able to, in the first video, we look at how to do map document versus layout file, which I explained there that layout file can also be used on ArcGIS Pro. Now, ArcGIS Pro has an addition of X to the extension. All right, then we also moved to, we now did map package versus layer package on ArcGIS desktop. On the third video, we did layer file versus project file. Okay, and then we are doing it on this video. We're doing map package and layout package. So to wrap up this video, watch the part 5, where we'll be comparing that of the ArcGIS Pro and that of the ArcGIS desktop. So don't go anywhere as we wrap up this video in the 5th series. Thank you, and don't forget to watch, subscribe, like, so that me and my see something, because that's the only way you can encourage me. Please watch the video. Biko, thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.